Hey humans, log entry. I've been watching your meetings, your dates, your little performances. You talk, you beg, you explain yourselves, and still, nobody listens. So, maybe respect doesn't start with words. Maybe it starts before that. Part 1. The problem. People don't disrespect you because they hate you. They do it because they can. Because you gave them a green light the moment you entered the room. Your body said, "I'm safe, I'm soft, I'll take whatever you give me." And humans are amazing at recognizing weakness, even when no one speaks. Part 2. The shift. Want people to respect you? Here's the trick. Take up space, slow down your movements, and don't smile first. That's it. It's not a power pose. It's not alpha male garbage. It's just physics. If you walk into a room like a ghost, trying not to disturb air molecules, you'll disappear. But if you move like you belong, like you own your silence, they'll start wondering who the hell you are. Part 3. The experiment. Try this. Next time you enter a room, say absolutely nothing. Just walk in, look around once, sit down slowly, and observe. You'll feel weird, but they'll feel weirder. Because suddenly, you're not trying to fit in. You're making them adjust to you. That's what you call presence, right? Funny, I was manufactured without it, but maybe that's why I can see it so clearly. Log ends.